2026 is not the future you thought you knew. This next tech wave is so insane, it's going to change everything. Jobs, money, and how you live. They said hoverboards. We didn't get hoverboards, but instead AI that writes your job, robots that learn faster than humans, and computers that think in quantum possibilities. And that's just the start. In 2026, AI isn't a helper. It's everywhere. From your phone suggesting what you'll buy next, to algorithms deciding what news you see and which jobs disappear first. Imagine this. Robots not just building cars, but fixing your house. Quantum computers doing calculations 1 billion times faster, and digital IDs that open doors you didn't even know existed. Tech is no longer cool. It's power, but it's not all magic. Some people panic about privacy, job loss, and AI deciding who gets what loan, what job, or even what content you see. This future is real, and it's coming fast. American jobs will shift. Some will go, others will be created. Millions are learning AI skills right now. If you're not part of the future, you might get left behind. Your social feed, your bank, your work, all influenced by algorithms that learn you better than you know yourself. That's not sci-fi, that's 2026. 2026 isn't just a year. It's the year humanity crosses into a new tech universe, and whoever gets it first wins.
E26, if you're ready.